Matthew 8, verse 8. And the officer said, Lord, I am not worthy to have you come into my home. Just say the word from where you are, and my servant will be healed. Imagine this. The officer asked the Word made flesh to speak a word. Jesus is the manifestation, the Word made flesh from out of God, the flesh from heaven that is the Word. Believe today that Jesus is also a Word over you. His Word will remain always. The quickening Spirit that is Jesus Christ, the Word made flesh, a glorified body, also dwells in us by His Spirit. Go deep into the chambers of your heart, and deep down in the inside, you will find Him there waiting for you. Deep in the innermost parts of yourself, where only you and God knows who you really are. Meeting Him there in absolute naked honesty.